Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 important questions for TGT, PGT, English literature and other English literature associated exams as a practice at 25. So let's start. Question number 1. What is a caesura in poetry? A line containing consonants, sprung rhythm, a pause indicated by a comma, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a pause indicated by a comma. Option C will be the right answer. Caesura is a pause within a poetic line to break the regularity of the metrical pattern. It is often marked by punctuation as by a grammatical boundary. Sign like double oblique line also used for pause. We can say double slash. Next question. Who quoted these lines about tragedy? The plot then is the first principle, and as it were, the soul of a tragedy character holds the second place. Plato, Aristotle, Shakespeare, Longinus. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Aristotle. Option B will be the right answer. The above lines about tragedy was quoted by Aristotle. He also explained that tragedy was an imitation not of man but of action and life, of happiness and misery. Next question. A blank space is a small descriptive poem in which the machinery and conventions of epic proper are used in the treatment of trivial themes. Dramatic monologue, ballad, mock epic, none of the above. What will be correct answer? A mock epic is a small descriptive poem in which the machinery and conventions of epic proper are used in the treatment of trivial themes. So the answer will be option C, mock epic. The Battle of the Books is one of the finest and the greatest of the prose mock epics in the language. Next question. Whom does Milton accuse in Paradise Lost as the sons of Belial flown with insolence and wine? The Anglican clergy, the Cavalier poets, the opponents of the Commonwealth, all of the above. What would be correct answer? Correct answer will be all of the above. Option D will be the right answer. Belial is the Hebrew term for devil, and Milton uses him to sow vice in the Anglican clergy. The Cavalier courts and places and the opponents of Commonwealth. Next question. Which of the following was an epic? Wordsworth, Daffodils, Milton's Paradise Lost, Coleridge, Kublai Khan, Keats, Hyperion. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Milton's Paradise Lost. Option B will be the right answer. An epic, in its most specific sense, is a genre of classical poetry originating in Greek. Milton's Paradise Lost 1667 is considered a modern epic. Homer's Iliad and Odyssey and Virgil's Aeneid are classical epics. Next question. Who changed his oblique her religion some years ago? M.R. Anand, Kamala Das, Nizam Yaskil, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Kamala Das. Option B will be the right answer. Kamala Das converted to Islam towards the last part of her life and assumed the name Kamala Suraiya at the age of 67 on December 11, 1999. Next question. The French writer who influenced Francis Bacon is. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Montaigne. Option C will be the right answer. The French writer Montaigne influenced Francis Bacon. Next question. Who among the following is a writer of historical romances? What will be correct answer? Thomas Hardy, Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Mark Twain. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Walter Scott. Option C will be the right answer. Sir Walter Scott, 15th August 1771, 21 September 1832, was a Scottish historical novelist, playwright, and poet. He was the writer of historical romances. Next question. Lawes says this for whom he found English a dialect and left it a language. William Shakespeare, John Milton, Matthew Arnold, Chaucer. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Chaucer. Option D will be the right answer. Lawes remarked that Chaucer found English a dialect and left it a language. Next question. Arnold wrote, "With him is born our real poetry. The word hymn refers to Milton, Shakespeare, Wordsworth. None of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be none of these. Option D will be the right answer. Arnold, in The Study of Poetry 1880, criticized Chaucer for lacking high seriousness, but he admits that with him is born our real poetry corresponding to his truth of substance in style and manner. So, friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.